Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine video. I have GMC Cyclone 69 Chevelle, Ford Maverick, Porsche 935, Jaguar XJ220, Land Rover. This is a Mazda MX-5, Ford GT, Bentley Continental, Dodge Charger, the worldwide Camaro, Beetle, a pickup truck, Kia Stinger, a great Jaguar, Pontiac GTO, Hello Kitty. I may buy the Hello Kitty, it's very nice. The James Bond Ford Mustang, Mercedes A-Class. This is another Camaro, Jaguar, Porsche, Jaguar, motorbike, Lancia Delta, and below we have Fast and Furious, Rally, Camouflage, Forza, and I don't know what is this. Hello Kitty is nice. So is the green Bentley, which I'm going to buy. So in goes the money, and number 14. Okay. And number 32. Let's see what have we got. A recolored Bentley is very nice. So is the Hello Kitty. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.